So what's up, y'all? So I got an update for you. So I've installed the rear and front bumper. Everything's fully assembled on the rear bumper, and it looks way better. And I'm glad that the muffler, the custom muffler that I had done, fits without bumping or having to modify it. But yeah, it looks a lot better. Still have to replace the side skirts and then modify the rear spoiler. And the front bumper has been installed. Now everything has been installed, everything up underneath the hood and everything under the fender well and underneath. But the only thing that hasn't been fully connected back is just the screws that go here, because on the other side it's broke off and it needs to be replaced. So when it goes to body and paint, they'll pretty much take everything off. And then they did tell me that they'll be able to fix this, because I'm having a really hard time trying to find, or not, I'm not having a hard time trying to find them, I'm having a hard time getting them shipped here to Germany, no matter if that's in US mail here to a military address or even the German address. So yeah, that's it. So the reason why I went ahead and installed the front and the rear and didn't record it is because I'll put a quick clip in here of me replacing the radiator, because the radiator had a crack in it and it was leaking coolant. So I had to replace it, and in the time of me doing that, I went ahead and installed those two because I was anxious. Now there's something else that's wrong. So the bearings are bad on both sides and it's sounding pretty bad. So I'll be replacing those, and I think that's it. So I just wanted to do a quick update for you guys and let y'all see the progression. And so there's been a lot of training that's been taking place. Yes, sir. But I came down on a recruiting assignment, so hopefully that gives me a lot more time at home and gives me consistent hours, so I don't have to be away, and I could have a lot of time to work on these projects, if not have more projects. So yeah, appreciate y'all. Peace.